Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing how you can read a JSON file in Python. So let's get started. Let me open my Visual Studio Code. As you can see, I already have a JSON file which is weather.json. If I click on it, you can see all the weather data inside this file. So these are some data related to weather, wind speed, temperature, wind directory, pressure, and so on, based on location, in this case London, and some current weather information as well. So we'll read this data using Python programming language. So let me close this file and I'll quickly create a Python file. I'll call it app.py, and here we'll write our Python code. So the first thing we'll do, we'll import the JSON library. So let's type in import and then JSON. Now JSON is available in this Python file. Then we'll open this file, weather.json file. So let me create a variable name. File would be equals to open and then this JSON file, weather.json. So now we'll read this file using the JSON library. So let's create a variable data where we'll load all this data. So data equals to JSON dot load, and we'll load this file. We already created this file, so we'll just call it file. Great. Now the data is loaded. We can print it to see it in a terminal. So type in print and data. Great, everything is done. You can see it has been saved automatically. If it is not saved automatically, just press Command S and it will get saved, or Control S in Windows. Anyway, let's run this file. So I'll click on terminal, new terminal, and then type Python 3 and then the name of the file app.py. Press enter. As you can see, all the data is loaded and we can access any of the information from this data set. You can actually access any of the individual data. Let's say we want to see the temperature in degrees Celsius, so we can see inside current we have this temperature, right? So temperature Fahrenheit, temperature degrees Celsius. So to access it, we will just go inside it. So data, then we will type current and then another temperature. So it is temp underscore C. Now we'll only be accessing the temperature information. Okay, so let's run it again. Press enter. As you can see, it returns 11. So this is how you can read a JSON file in Python. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.